Should you invest in Soundhound stock? Hey, if that opening sounds familiar, it might be because I made a video asking this exact same question in February. This is the video I posted on February 26th, asking if you should invest in Soundhound when it was $5.70. Today, Soundhound is $18.28. It is up 762% year to date. That's insane. Is it too late to invest? Well, I can't answer that. But what I can do is look at the numbers. So let's do that. The very first thing you're going to do is you are going to go right here. You're going to click on the menu right here, and you are going to look for the fundamental analysis template. Luckily for you, I've already filled in this template. So let's take a look here. It's $18 roughly per share. It's up 745%, but it is up 182% since their 2022 IPO. Now you can see here that their market cap is $7.28 billion. They offer no dividends. They have no price to earnings ratio. And we can see here that the revenue is just growing. And I want you to look at this as well. I'm using Seeking Alpha to do most of my research here. And this is Seeking Alpha's revenue in 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. But look what happens projected for 2024. Big jump all the way to 83 million. And what are they projecting for 2025? An even bigger jump in revenue. And there are some downsides as well, like their net income is negative 88 million. However, last year it was negative 116 million, so it's improved a little bit. Their total assets are $151 million. That's a dramatic improvement from a year ago when they were $38 million. However, their long-term debt has also gone up. That's not ideal, but for new companies that are growth companies, debt is normal. And you can see that their cash and investments has skyrocketed. Last year was 9.25 million, and now it's 95 million. But their free cash flow is at a negative 68 million. However, it was also worse last year at negative 95 million. And the analysts have a one-year price target of $22. Another resource that I cannot live without is Stock Target Advisor. When you search for your stock and you go right over here, they break it down for you. They tell you what they like and what they don't like. So here it says they have superior risk-adjusted returns and high market cap. That's good. But here's what they don't like. Generally speaking, when I see a stock that's up 700% in a year, it's a big red flag for me. It's a no thank you. However, for me, as a Soundhound investor, I have a very small speculative position here. So I'm willing to take a little bit more of a risk because I only put in what I was willing to lose. Last but not least, there are articles like this everywhere. Soundhound is up 700%. Analysts say it has more room to run. Of course, whether you choose to listen to the analyst is entirely your call. And most importantly, remember this. Bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, and smart investors always smash that follow.